Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. Pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Good night. Enjoy the rest of your night, bro. Take care. Thunder United, baby. Let me go slow. Go slow for us. You got it. Okay. Oh, you got it, man. You got it.
Step in the name of love.
Yeah, play that. Yeah.
Music and they outside. But you know what? The music, the law ain't, it can't be loud after 10 o'clock.
Yeah, after 10 o'clock. Even if you got music in your car, they can't do shit to you.
After 10 o'clock.
They be come behind me, I be they be going right fast. Yeah, the
Check. Dans la grand frère, Jonas Matwidi. Rendez-vous Lelo. Bao Baye. Baebi. Bao Bazangi. Talibino. Mais nous on est là toujours. Kevin Saïd, check.
Anglais,
C'est pas pareil. Hey, we here with my nigga Jonas. But that's my big brother right there, man. You already know. We're here. We're gonna enjoy. We're gonna party. We're gonna drink. We're gonna have a lot of fun, man. Y'all tune in. Keep watching, man.
Oh,
yes, sir.
you know, you feel me? We are here, we tryna enjoy with our friend, you know, your family, your brother, you know, we like to écouter ça m'a beaucoup toujours. We tryna get her, you know, we tryna get her with a friend, you know. It's just tryna like il faut to pesa ma beaucoup to yo que l'on nino ya zanango. En tout cas, na sepeli mingi vraiment par rapport il y a Marambo, il y a sorti, il y a single. En tout cas, c'est vraiment quelque chose à encourager. That's why we are here, you know. We're trying to give hands. That's it, what I can say, you feel me? I'm trying to give my friend hand, you know. That's why I'm here. That's all I can say, you know. All is about the motivated, you feel me? All is about the motivated. That's why everybody are here, you know. We're trying to enjoy, like a summer hand, you know. That's it, you feel me? That's right. We're trying to enjoy, right?
Merci vraiment pour la journée lelo. Toyeki kolanda ndeko na biso na barbecue awa. Vraiment nyonso ekende bien. Kitoko makasi. Malgré mbula emeki ko déranger biso mais journée vraiment pepele ambetelo. Na banza tozana bandeko na biso musu ya ba espagnol o balobaka espagnol. Tozana pena bandeko na biso musu ya ba noir ba américain tokuta awa. Alors, na biso tosangani vraiment ekende bien penda. Donc na moni kutu ba commentaire za mingte. Ye moko leader. Toza toujours na sima leader. Ye indépendant fumu na baou. Donc journal lelo kutu. Net na ba niveau boulot boye na kolaki off on a ebaki samedi lelo le 20. Donc egoinda donc na monde déjà eza goinda wa donc ya oloba kutu te. Nyoso ekende bien. Normalement soto komaki awa ezaka pona sortie ya single ya papa na biso to ya star na biso ya wayo précisément à en affaire fil. Donc to komaki pona single wana et puis neti pona nga eza lokola chanson fétichère nanga et chaque tongo na bimaka na mutuka nanga eza nzembo nga na yokaka tout le temps. Donc sortie officielle nde lelo yango tozoko inaugurer yango ndezala kaka. En tout cas vraiment na sepeli makasi. Vraiment toza na sima ya ndeko tozo soutenir ye kitoko makasi. Donc na sepeli tak kitoko makasi. Ouais.
I'd like to appreciate that they invited me out here. We're having a good time with good people, good food, good drinks, you know. Let this not be the last time. We can repeat it however many times we have to, we'll repeat it, you know.
Yeah, everything, good vibes, good music, good food, drinks, good environment. Everybody safe. We enjoying this. Dominicano hasta la muerte. Ya tú sabes. Estamos aquí, Rulay, con mi gente.
Aquí desde Cuba, con los domis, con mi pana, mis hermanos, mi hermano de sangre. Aquí en el party de Jonas. Pasando un rato agradable. Heavy. He's scared the camera, you know. He's like me. So, you know, que lo que. Cuba, Dominican Republic.
Vraiment on est ensemble pour nous soutenir oya biso camaraderie ndeko Jonas Matui ni balobarage place sengoza pour de partager c'est on a battu tout quoi matoya barbecue ya munene boy soutien à Jonas Matui camaraderie et c'est on est ensemble donc enjoy merci grand poète Matui yeyo bientôt pour mona ba image bientôt pour mona ba titre à simeroya donc oya c'est n'est que débit et d'ailleurs bandé kitoko vraiment.
En tout cas, Tolodi, félicitations à notre frère Tanderji. Dans ma réunion sur Bandego Baye, Tolie, Tomeli, tous ces pays ensemble. Déjà, mon corps y a une initiative Oyo, Biso Congolais, Tolingarato appuyé. En tout cas, et ça l'a bien. Tout le monde a jeune, ça peut émerger dans le pays à Libanda. En tout cas, biso ba misusu totikali o tolinga ko kangama biso moko eza malamu te. Na communauté esengaka tozala ensemble, to se soutenir. Ndenge moninga sali boye, biso peso to tche maboko ekosala bien. En tout cas, merci beaucoup. Merci na Manoka TV, merci na batu nyonso o ba soutenir Tanderji pour na makambo Simba. Merci beaucoup Thomas.
Donc, tosanganya pona artiste na biso yeyo. Bon sikano bon yango esengaka fo moi soutien za la presse la bien quoi. Moi c'est tini miyanki yo biga mingo lo beza te on a lo baga ya wana na nenga bien donc toeka tout ça ka moi pour des pouces mpona artiste na biso ezala bien yango naka nakoya koloba donc
Merci beaucoup.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy.
I call her, come here, come closer. She's not drunk, she's sober. She know what she doing. I'm losing composure. She twerking, all up on me, yeah, it's working. My, that thing is so thick. Oh, perfect.
Just start singing with the people. That one song, that song I just playing.
Yeah. Fuck buying a chain, you better go buy you some guns. Sure, we can't even live life right now. This shit ain't even fun no more. Is that a COVID mask? So you tryna ride me? Just some hood shit niggas think about when we sliding. It's death in the air, literally. I already gotta survive the trenches. Gotta watch for the jack boys. Gotta watch for these grimy bitches. Now shit in the air that can get me. This shit beyond me. Got me in my feelings. Think about days when shit was sunny. We doing the most. We just trying to get paid, you know, hit 2 in a row. But the time ain't stopping and these bills ain't stopping. Gotta keep your head up, cause the grind ain't stopping, yeah. I'm talking about kid up. Fuck with me, I'm player. We survivors, put your bottles in the fucking air. I know sometimes you wanna give up, you feel like life ain't fair. I know sometimes you wanna give up, you feel like life ain't fair. But we keep going, and we riding, and we sliding. Just keep striving, just keep vibing. We the livest, yeah, 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 hey. We keep going, but we grinding. Now shit in the air that can get me. This shit beyond me. Got me in my feelings, thinking about days when shit was sunny. Yeah.
And I be rolling by my paper. Can you my collabo? Man, that shit look like a blessing. Like I knew that one phone call. One phone could change my ways. The one phone call could change my life. Like a stone, yeah, I found my way. I made it out of the basement, like I knew that one phone call could change my life. The one phone was money calling, eh, eh, eh. The one phone was made for you, baby, baby. I'm in love with you, baby, baby. Girl, I'm in love with you, baby, baby. Girl, I'm in love with your face, so. When I'm in love with your smile, I know you want me too.
Oh my, is that thunder?
I see you on a Facebook. Many likes cause your face look. Et je vois ordinary. Tu es trop belle, baby. Can we meet your inbox? Can we talk? I really wanna get to know you, girl. You got a man, are you dating? What's the plan? I be waiting to show you that you matter. Tell me, have you ever been with the man that put you first? Love's an action word. I'm ready to do the work. What you say? Missy never. Let's leave this digital world. I see you on a Facebook. Many likes cause your face locked. Et je vois ordinary. Tu es trop belle, baby. Can we meet in your inbox? Can we talk? I really wanna get to know you, girl. Mon intention est 100%, 100% d'approuver mon bébé. Et tu sais mon bébé. Everybody else likes your pictures and comments. Girl, let's be honest. You need more than that. Why you holding back? Wanna take you out. Let me take you out. See you on a Facebook. Many likes cause your face locked. Et je vois ordinary. Tu es trop belle, baby. Can we meet in your inbox? Can we talk? I really wanna get to know you, girl. You know my attention.
Oh my,